Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we have got a 2014 Honda Civic. This is the hybrid one. A couple of warning light is on, and also there is a IMA. Check the IMA system. Battery light is on. 12-volt battery is not charging. First thing, what we're gonna do, we have to scan it and check brake light and other lights on. Let's go to check it. Scan it at first, then we will see what we can find in this car. Righty, what we have got here, P1450 motor power inverter MPI module output circuit malfunction. That means something is wrong inside the MPI module, DC to DC converter module. Okay, in this stage we have to go step by step to find what's wrong inside the MPI module. Let's go together. Alright, Honda Civic, the inverter location, we have to remove the rear seat rest, then we reach to the inverter. Okay, this unit need to be removed. The MPI module is at the behind of this. Okay, I will go to remove that one, then we go together how to check it and test it. Alright, this black module is MPI module. Now what we're gonna do, we set our multimeter to diode to here, this one. Then to check MPI module, the negative terminal of the multimeter goes to the positive of the MPI. That is the positive of the MPI. We check the channel one by one. Here we have got 366. Then we go to the next one. Here we go. We have got 0367. This one we have got 368, which is very close to each other. It is acceptable. Then we shift. Positive goes to the negative of the MPI, and with negative we go one by one. That one is also 367. This one is open loop. That means something is wrong with this channel of the MPI. For the checking purpose, no, it's open loop, definitely. I will remove that one. I will remove the MPI cover. There is strongly soldered. Then we will see what's wrong with this. Alright, I dissoldered the electrical board. This is the U transistor is damaged. We can see that when it's burned out, but this too is the W and V is okay. In this case we can replace the only U transistor, but it is not safe. To be safe, I have to replace the old transistor. That is the safe way. I will replace the old transistor, then we will see. Alright, okay, we have been replaced the inverter with that second hand one. I've gone for a couple of kilometers test drive. No warning light, no battery light, nothing is on. Let's check the charging. Okay, here we go. We have got 14.5 full charge. That's mean the battery is charging. Now we have got a good charged battery. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you had this video help you with the P1450, please give us a like and subscribe for next video. Thank you. See you on next video.